Assurance Wireless provides free or discounted wireless service through the FCC's Lifeline program for eligible low-income individuals. To keep your service active, you need to complete annual verification, also known as recertification. This process confirms you still meet the eligibility requirements based on income or participation in qualifying programs like Medicaid or SNAP. The renewal process is now primarily digital, with reminders sent via text or email, usually between October and December. Completing this verification ensures you maintain access to your free minutes, data, and texting. Remember, failure to renew can lead to service suspension after a 30-day grace period, so it's important to act promptly when you receive the renewal notification. The easiest way to renew your Assurance Wireless service is online, either through the Assurance Wireless website or their mobile app. You'll need to submit proof of eligibility, such as recent pay stubs or benefit letters. The process typically takes only 5 to 10 minutes. To avoid any interruption in service, make sure to complete the renewal within the specified renewal window. Keep an eye out for text or email reminders from Assurance Wireless. If you face difficulties, Assurance Wireless provides multilingual support and partners with community organizations to assist vulnerable populations. Ensuring your information is accurate and up to date is key to a smooth renewal process and continued access to essential communications services.